Kahalayim la Yahal Bashim Yahal Shai Bashim Rakak. You know, double honors to the apostles GMS. Because they got the truth and spreading the love. So last night, I was watching Netflix, this documentary. I'll show it to you. American Factory. It's about two hours long. Man, that is a good ass documentary, man. Fucking good. Man. Whew. Alright. This is Psalm 52:2. Thy tongue deviseth mischiefs, like a sharp razor working deceitfully. So what Donald Trump is saying, I'm gonna try to incorporate this into the lesson. What Donald Trump is saying is he's gonna put tariffs on motherfucking on China, right? But China has companies in the United States. Peep that, all right? Let me say that shit again. Donald Trump is putting tons of tariffs on the Chinese, basically. That's what he's fucking said. On the Chinese. So whatever the people in the United States buy, they're gonna have to pay taxes on, right? So if there's companies in the United States and they're buying shit from that gets shipped in here, this motherfucker's, hey, damn, this motherfucker's good. Woo! Donald Trump's an Edomite. And I'm gonna go ahead and say this: he's the only Edomite I like. He's the only Edomite I like, for real though. And well, you know, the women's get a pass. Them women's get a pass for whatever purposes, you know. Back to the lesson. This fool's fucking smart, dude. Check that out, man. He's imposing tariffs on Chinese companies, basically, that operate in the United States. Hell, you can call it whatever you want, and that's what's happening. All right. Okay. So now this documentary, American. What the fuck's it called? Well, I forget. I just showed you the picture, right? I think it's called American Factory. Man, it is fucking good, man. And today is gonna be a camp day for Camp Cosmos in the central San Joaquin Valley, city of Hanford. We'll be going out there today, which is Thursday. Today is Thursday, September the 5th. We're a few days away from the commencement of the Day of Atonement. So today we're gonna speak on this, the American Factory documentary, which is fucking killer, man. Dude, this is for the elect, man. Damn, it's got me all nerded out. All right, because it shows a lot of aspects of life, and it compares China to American way of living. Damn, there's a big, gigantic chasm that we're not even exploring. And you can tell that these Edomites are so overprivileged and ungrateful. It made me mad to watch it. The whole time I was fucking, you know, talking shit about it, and my rib was like, trying to watch this with you. Or whatever she said. But it sparked a dialogue between me and my number one lady. It sparked a dialogue. So you can talk to anybody in the United States about this in Babylon and see how they feel about it. Because China is not going to be taking over, but it is taking over the American, what's it called? What's it called when you abandon something? Well, the abandoned motor, GM motor industry, because it was in Dayton, Ohio, and this billionaire, I don't know his fucking name. I don't give a damn about no mobiles either. But hey, he was in the right frame of mind, man. Right frame of mind. He told those Americans what he wanted and how he wanted it, and if he didn't get the way he wanted it, he was gonna take his fucking company somewhere else. But rock bottom to the point. And that shows that United States is Babylon the Great City, because this motherfucking place is done. This motherfucking place is tamam, done, through. It's on its last leg. Watch that documentary, man, and it brings, because the only reason I'm saying that it brings things into perspective is because I'm young in the truth. Okay, I'm not saying that it's gonna happen to everybody, but I'm young in the truth. All right, we've barely been going out to camp for a year. Altogether, it's been not even 3 or 4 years. So I'm still pretty much young, but this movie hits all the points. Because the infrastructure is done, even though they're building shit up in here where I'm at. And I should take a picture of this and make a video about this, because I'm driving through it right now. And it has to do with NATO specifications. But going back to the fucking, it shows you right there, the beast and the dragon and the false prophet. Alright, so back to what I was saying. Okay, this Moabite billionaire, he waited basically for America to shut their shit down, and all the elites over the world, they know before it's gonna happen. They know all these things that are gonna happen before it happens, so they can make the right moves at the right time. So, in Dayton, Ohio, there was this company for GM. I don't know what the fuck they made. Cars, probably. I'm just waiting for this place to fall all the way down. So they made cars, right? Because it was a GM factory. These motherfuckers were making $30 an hour. King Moab comes along after they shut down the companies, and after the fucking whatever happened to this country at that point in time. That's a different lesson. They abandoned Dayton, Ohio. All the factories closed up and got the fuck out of there. Alright, so we remember that. Then this Moabite let some time pass by, and then people, like a year and a half passed by, and then people were hurting so bad that these people, Jake Mosley, went from $30 an hour to making $12.48. And I'm not ashamed to say I make $13.72. I don't give a fuck. I'll put it out there. That's the most I ever made, and I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful to Yahweh Shemi Shai. But in this film, American Factory, which brings me to my next point, these Chinese people are grateful to these fucking billionaires. These Chinese billionaires, they worship these billionaires, man. So that tells you that Moab has got to go down, because they got to learn a lesson too. Also, at the same time, these American fat bastards, and you can see the difference in diet, because these fucking gringos are fucking fat and chunky, pink, sausage eating motherfuckers. You can tell they're Edomites, and they got a goddamn attitude about everything, because that's a spirit they're in. Apostle Tahar said that. They're in the I own everything type of spirit. But that spirit's getting checked, because it's Chinese. They don't fucking play. They'll fucking fire your ass. And that, I encourage every brother that can to watch it. Brothers older in the truth are going to see something different. Brothers younger in the truth are going to catch something different. I caught a whole lot from my perspective. I was flabbergasted, man. I loved it. I'm not gonna watch it again, but I loved it because I'm pretty much talking about all the points right now on my lunch drive. So these Chinese people worship. Just to summarize, these Chinese people worship their bosses. They're so grateful for their jobs. Oh, and their fucking diet. They eat way less than we do. Way fucking less. If I lived in China, I'd be so fucking pissed. Motherfucking, oh my goodness, man. They eat what I eat in a snack. And I'm so thankful to Yahweh Bashim Yahushai. What I eat in a snack, these motherfuckers eat in a week. Talking about 2 Twinkies for lunch. How the fuck are you gonna survive off 2 fucking Twinkies for lunch? If I ate Twinkies, I would eat 2 Twinkies for a snack. You know, I have cucumbers, I eat beans, but I eat hearty. Like I just said, barley soup with vegetables in it for lunch. But it was hearty. It's hearty. I had a good size about it. A good bowl. Shit. And you better believe when I get home, I'm gonna eat again. That's why the Day of Atonement is so important. Because you gotta punish yourself. So that day, I'm not gonna eat or drink. And I've been working out for about 8 weeks. Preparing my cardio, preparing my body for this. For the Day of Atonement. Hell yeah, I take it seriously. Because you know why? After the Day of Atonement, I atone for my sins. Then it's party time. Can't wait for Hanukkah, bro. For reals, though. Because I'm a family man. I got young kids. Teens and shit. I got a woman that I like to buy shit for. Oh, fuck, I love Hanukkah. Festival of Lights. Fuck yeah. You know, so just to summarize it, that American Factory, that is a good one. American Factory is a good one. So I'm gonna get another scripture. Isaiah 28 and 29. This also cometh forth from Yahweh Bashim Yahushai of hosts, which is wonderful in counsel and excellent in working. And this intelligence we're gathering is his working. It's also a miracle. Mother lover. It's also a miracle with all this excellent working. So with that, I'm going to say Shalom. Kal halayim la Yahweh. Kal halayim la Yahweh b'Hashem Yahushai b'Hashem Rakah Kodash. I'm a little excited. Alright. So with that, I'm going to say peace.